yesterday, which means our track is wet way down in, so that makes it soft. They had a special challenge, so it'll be a little bit different here tonight. Here we go, Wild Street, Lamar Hoover. Distance for jet sensing of 296.24 feet, 296.24. Up next, the street gas, Donald Eshelman from Techway. It's Markey, and folks, I was told it's Justin's birthday today. So this is the youngest generation here of the Markeys pulling with us. Okay, street gas, distance to beat, Donald Eshelman, 306. Hook to the Sled, birthday boy, Justin Markey from East Stroudsburg, and his 71. Alright, Wild Street, Dylan Rupp, Mount Holly Springs. Nice job. We'll wait his distance. On the street gas side, your current leader, Donald Eshelman, at 306.44. Second, birthday boy, Justin Markey, 303.2. Stroudsburg, 1975 GM 275.60. Okay. Leaders didn't change in that class. Diesel side, this is Gas and Roar from Burnsville. Up there, folks, we just want to mention a few of our sponsors here tonight. We say thank you to Edling's Power Plus, East Coast Diesel, Line Bridge Auto Sales, Tobacco Shed Motorsports, Streamline Concrete, Heavy Equipment Loaders and Parts Incorporated, Ernie's Truck Center, Precision Power and Accessories, Davies Polishing, upon Hollenthal. Is that right? Russ from Palmyra. Yes, I believe you're right. Hollenthal. Alright, we'll wait into this. Ben Gelsinger currently leading John Price. I believe that's tuning up for third. Congratulations, Donald Eshelman. He'll be your winner, followed by the birthday boy, Justin Markey, and then John Price in third. That's it for Burnell Zimmerman from Oldie, GMC. What makes it Wild Street Diesel, folks? What makes it Wild Street is for years they fought about the turbos. They said the turbos had to be factory. Turbos had to be factory. On the Wild Street side, this is Brody Spickler from Elizabethtown in his 07 Dodge Ram. And Eastern Extreme Pulling Videos taking photographs and video of tonight's event. We say thank you to all those folks. Okay, on the diesel side, this is Joe Musser from Reinhold's 2014 Ram. In his 1985 Chevy. From Lebanon, folks, this is a good one. Gotta be 334. What do you think? Do we have a new leader? Yeah. Not even a question, I don't think. Up next on the small block side should be Jason Garrett. Brandon's going to bring him out. On the Wild Street side, this is Corey Dalton from Jamestown. Again, last one, Lindell Steiner, new leader at 334. That's one. Joe Musser down to second. Now we're going to Brian's crew. Well, I thought we were going to Brandon. This is brother Brian. Kyle Wicker from Carlisle, 1997 F350. All right, that'll have to be 400 feet. So so he gets another shot at it. Hey, while they're setting back up there, we'll recognize the machining of custom engine components. They're located on North Farmingville Road in Ephrata. Okay, on the Wild Street side, again, this is Kyle Wickard from Carlisle. He got a couple to get his McElroy, 278.37. That'll bring us to Adult Turbine from Lebanon on the small block side. Give them a call at 717-821-5520. They're located on Racehorse Drive in Jonestown. From Indiana County is your current Appalachian Outlaw ball block point leader. And he turned out the distance of 305.83, which was due in second place currently. That should be Clyde Weaver, I believe, Darren. Cliff had a distance of 299.6. I'm sorry, yeah. And those are the official results, folks. So at your convenience, you can stop by the announcer stand and pick up your awards. Nate Rupp from Mount Holly Springs. That was a nice run. With over 500 salvage machines and heads, They're located on Armstrong Valley Road in Halifax. This should be James Westervelt from Bangor. Let's give James a round of applause there, folks, till we hear what his results are. Up next is going to be Tom Hassler from Bethel. We say thank you to all those sponsors. We also say thank you to other sponsors here tonight for helping providing equipment for preparation of the track here tonight. We say thank you to Wangers of Myronstown. Jared, if you have a minute, why don't you give a rundown of our East Coast sponsors list that you have down there and recognize those sponsors as well? Will do. They're not looking at another truck yet. If the sled is set, the Blake May hasn't dropped his hook if they decide to keep the sled. But they're going to look at one more truck yet before they make that decision. From Virginia, give him a big hand, folks. Looks like he's up there. He might have a run for up there for first place. Maybe we'll have to wait and see. From the big block to the small block, the last class to this place. The only real difference is the motor and the rules-wise. Everything else pretty much the same. There is no cubic inch limit. No cubic inch limit. And get your 50-50 tickets. Probably about last fall on 50-50. If you didn't get them, get them. See, my God. But I just do on this truck. Pick up here this evening. And 15th class. Please make your way in the starting lineup. Dave Zona. Jared was just informed that they're going to make adjustments to the sled on the big block side, so we're going to see both those pullers back in, and that'll make Robert our first test puller again. Woodland Contractors is a family-owned business specializing in residential and commercial construction. They're located on King Street in Lebanon. Also, folks, a lot of the improvements you see around here were done by Woodland Contractors, so we say thank you to Woodland Contractors for providing the services to the Expo Center here for all the improvements that have been done. On the street diesel side, we got Todd Young up here from Benton. Number, for $419, blue ticket number 5234005, 19.29. Karen, would you read that 50-50 number again? I believe our winner's up there.